Next, episode 7 here with Kids versus Stars with according with chess.com here. So it means it is not about face-to-face but also online chess. So let's see the pictures here. So episode 7 here with together with a woman FIDE master with Alexandra Botes. So it means Botes sisters and versus by 4 kids here. So it means it is not about 4 games but also choose 2 games analyzed. So 2 games analyzed here. So it means between with woman FIDE master in Canada is Alexandra Botes against with 2 kids here with versus by with woman FIDE master. So it means Ashley Kwan in Canada and woman candidate master USA is Abigail Zhu. So what do you think about this lose of this game? So with wins or lose here. So let's study of this play chess here. White against with woman FIDE master with Botes sisters with Andrea is Alexandra Botes. So it means she was a sisters here with 2 sisters in Canada here. And versus by black pieces with woman FIDE master same by Canada is Ashley Kwan. So it means 2 games analyzed. So after that, next proceed by woman candidate master Abigail Zhu. So later of this next second game here. So in this part of these videos here in Kids versus Stars, and also have we analyzed of the standings after the episode 7 here. So white plays Botes is d4, knight f6 by Ashley, c4, e6 is Indian defense, knight c3, bishop b4, it is called by Nimso Indian defense. So it means Nimso Indian because this is a with more of this movement by this one with bishop b4 with queen with stop against with check. So it means threatening the knights here. And also bishop d2 defense by knights, castle kingside by Ashley. And also g3. So what's the plan? Or maybe g2, bishop g2. So it means Fianchetto's attacks with diagonals with light square here. And also pawn d5. So it means without threatening the pawns. So without attacks these pawns here with white pieces. And also b3, so it means without defense, so does not like of b3 because this is a defense. So defense by this one with pawns, so it means bad move here. So the best, the one's computer is a3. Oh, a3 with threatening the bishop. So it means threat the bishop. If the bishop backwards e7 here, knight f3. Oh, so it means knight f3 before by bishop g2. So it means etc etc. So this is a good slightly advantage for whites here. So once of this computer here. So back there is b3, so does not like pawn b3 with Botes because this is a stockfish by computer without defense here. Capture this pawn, captured bad move. So this is a bad novelty with Botes without all main lines here. So it means knight f3 or e3 because this is a defense by this one with pawns and this is a defense here. So it means this is a knight f3 or e3, all main lines here. So it means with new captured, so it means does not one of this computer because this is a captured this b takes c4. So this is a disappearance by book lines, so no more book lines because novelty. Because why is that? If you capture this one, if you capture, so it means continue with queen captured pawn. So it means this is a free pawns against with more of this one with positional by developed here. Without decided by woman FIDE master Ashley queen captured pawns. So it means one piece down because the +1 against the with continuations. So it means this is a more controls here by this one by against the development here. And also queen b3, defense of pawns, another bad move by Alexandra. So the best move there is one is knight f3. Oh, knight f3. So it means threatening the queens here. So if the queen captured pawns with free pawns here, and also rook c1, rook c1. With bishop a3 threatening the rook. So it means with threatening the rooks here. So threats. And also rook c2. So this is a according this one by computer. So this is a goods for advantage for whites here. Okay, so back to this one is queen b3, bad move by Botes here. And also knight to e4. Oh, without idea with threatening. Why is that? If you knight capture this, knight captured by threatening the knight, so it means this is a bishop threatening the knights. Why is that? Because this is a triple by this one, very strong move against Ashley. So this is a very dangerous buy with both tests. So it means very dangerous against with whites here. So with that control, so this is a very dangerous here. And with both tests is knight captured here. Oh, what? Oh, with knight captured. So it means this is a connected here. So it means knight captured. If you knight captured here, so it means continue by this one by one rook down. So with that continues here. So why both this is knight captured e4? So it means continues here by chooses. And queen captured rook check, one rook down with Alexandra Botes with a check. Queen d1, force against with defense by challenging by this one by queen to queen. Bishop captured d2 with check. Well, that explained here. Why don't we continue? Queen captured d1 with check. King captured here. And also rook d8. So it means this is a controls by this one with examples by explanations here. So this is the explanations, for example. So why is Ashley bishop captured check? So it means without chooses here. Knight takes captured. Queen takes a2. Oh, why cannot captured here? If queen captured here, we check king captured. So king captured, rook here, rook d8. So this is a more control. So this is a weak by this one by ugliance, by movement, by position up. So it means without queen capture chooses against with Ashley here, or maybe without plannings by this one with rook. So rook d8 here. So movement by this one with rook d8. And also knight gf3. So what's the plans? Oh, bishop g2 next move. Or next by before castling. So this is a next castling here. And also knight c6 by Ashley. Bishop g2 by Botes, by next castling by Alexandra. And also e5. Oh, with e5. So this is a pushes by movement. Castle kingside by Alexandra. Bishop to g4. Oh no, what happened? So it means bishop g4 with threatening the with attacks the knights. So this is a continuous here with position up. Queen d1 challenged by queen to queen. And accept queen takes, rook takes with threatening the pawn b7. Defense by rook a b8 by Ashley. e3 rook fd8. So this is a very strong because this is a positional against with rook d5 with pins. So it means this is a threatening the knights here, or maybe sacrifice here. So without sacrifice. And also h3 with threatening the bishop with Ashley bishop captured, knight takes, and king f8 force move again. So this is a movement. So force move again. So this is a force move by movement by with this is a king must be active by proxy active move here. King f1 by Alexandra, or maybe by proxy active here. So this next move. So this is a next move here. So cannot move because this is a targets by rooks here. And also king e7, good precise by Ashley here. So this is a good precise here. King e2 by Alexandra, pawn to a5. Okay, pawn to a5 here. So this is a movement. I don't know what's the movement by this one by pawn b5 because this is a targets by rooks. Knight d2 by Alexandra, knight b4 by Ashley, and also knight b3 controls by attacks the pawn e5. So this is a threatening the pawns. So threatening the pawns. So this is a continuous here. So it means this is a very continuous. Or maybe by next by this one by f4. This is a next move against with f4 here. And also pawn b6 by Ashley. Knight d2. Okay, knight d2. So this is a controls by knight d2. Without explaining here. Sir, why don't we move pawn f4? So it means pawn f4 here. It is okay here. And capture this one. Capture g takes captured. Okay, so this is a good more explanations here, for example. Okay, so without back there, this one is knight to d2. So this is a very controlled before by this one by f4. So it means f4 is the next move here. And also f5. Okay, f5. What the plans? Or maybe here by this one with next up f4 or maybe e4. So this is the next by move by pawns here. Knight f3. Oh, controls by dangerous against with Alexandra. So it means knight f3. King f6 here. We'll explain here. Sir, why don't we pawn e4? If you pawn e4, threatening the knights and with knight d4. So knight d4 with threatening the pawns and check. So this is a check here. So that controls with check here and also g6. Okay, g6 is a defense here. So easy solutions against with examples here. With the king f6 by Ashley, g4 and also g6. So it means if you capture this one, if you capture this pawn, so it means h takes captured. So it means before by this one with g5 with check. So with the king with check here. So back there, this one is g6 here, defense by pawns with Ashley, g5 by check by Alexandra, king e6, and also h4. Okay, h4. So this is a continuous here by movement here. And also rook d6 controls against with next battery. So next battery with rooks before with I don't know what check. So with a check here by continuations here. And also h5 sacrifice by Alexandra Botes here. And also c5. So it means so do not captured with pawns here. So they're not captured. So it means rook h1. So this is a weak by double with double threatening the double pawns here. So with a continuous here. So it means c5 by Ashley. Rook h1 defense by pawns. And also e4 threatening the knights and also knight d2. Okay. So this is a knight d2. Because this is in controls by this one by positional move. So this is a example. With defense by pawns here. Battery rook b d8. Oh, what the plans? Oh, with threatening the knights with check. Because this is a movement by this one with battery. Without doubles against. So because this is a develop here. So very dangerous by this one. So it means controls by check here. And also knight b1. So no more by this one by rook d2. Because this is a movement by this one by knight b1 to controls against that. So this is a develops here by positional. a4. Oh, with that a3. So a3, a2 or promotes here with attacks the knights. So this is a promotes by a1 queen here with Ashley. Rook c1 by Alexandra. Rook d3. Okay, with rook d3. So this is a more of this one with controls here. And also f3. a3. Oh my god. So it means Ashley. So this is a promotes against. So very strong move. Promotes against upcoming by with queens here. And also knight c3. a2. Oh, without idea. So it means upcoming by promotes here. I cannot move by promote by queen because this is a targets here. So targets against with rooks. Knight captured. Rook d2 with check. And also king f1. Knight takes captured. So this is a resign. So resigns by with both the sisters Alexandra. So it means knight takes a2. So this is a very strong move here. Okay, so I think both tests losing. So not yet done. So it means I need my by wins by this one with Woman FIDE Master. So it means so the winner, Woman FIDE Master Ashley wins. So it means so what wins against with Ashley. Okay, so next up this one with second games here. So next proceed here by with next here. Okay, white against with Woman FIDE Master Alexandra Botes in Canada, and black pieces by Woman Candidate Master in USA is Abigail Zhu. So it means so who was the win against before with mating nets with checkmate here. So later after the 59 moves here. So in this part of this video, in this second game here, and also having analyzed the standings of Hits versus Star. So d4 by Botes. d5 by Abigail, c4, e6, so it means Queen's Gambit decline, exchange, capture this pawn, captured by Abigail, and also knight c3, and also c6, so it means it is called by semi-slap. So semi-slap here, so this is a more of this one with connecting by this diagonal by 2 connected here. And also bishop f4, and also bishop d6 by Abigail with dark square with challenge bishop to bishop. By Botes, in accept bishop captured, queen takes, and also knight f3, knight f6 by upcoming by next castling, kingside by Abigail. So it's called by openings with Queen's Gambit decline, semi-slap defense, accelerated move order. So this is a move orders against with variations here. And also pawn e3 with openings by with Alexandra by light square with bishop, castling. So this is a disappearance by book lines with Abigail, novelty with castling. Without old main lines here is queen e7 here, so it means queen e7 is a old main lines by chess.com master opening database. So it means with new move, castling, novelty. So novelty against with Abigail here. And also bishop d3 by Alexandra by next of castle, kingside by next first. Knight bd7 by Abigail, castle, kingside by Alexandra, and also rook e8 by Abigail without rook e8 with openings by rook e5 here. So this is a more pins here. And also a3 with Alexandra by no more by queen b4 because this is a connected by pass pawn here. And Abigail is a5. So what the plans? Or maybe by next of b5 with idea with Abigail. So it means b5 is in next first. And also queen c2. Okay, so without queen c2, so this is a good precise by Alexandra. h6 by this one with Abigail. And also h3. And also knight f8 by Abigail. So what the plans? Or maybe by next maneuver is knight to g6, or maybe knight h7 and knight to e6. So this is a knight e6 here, so it means this is a 3 types of maneuver here. And also knight e5 jumping against with Alexandra here, and also bishop e6 by Abigail, and also knight a4 by Alexandra. So without plannings here, with next maneuver is knight to c5. So this is a connected here. And also knight 6d7 by Abigail by no more by this one with knight to c5. Without knight c5 with knights with threatening the knights here with counters attacks. So it means this is a next maneuver here. And also knight avoided f3 here. Without explain here. Sir, why don't we knight captured here? It is okay. If you knight takes d7 and also knight captured here. If you knight captured and also rook ac1. So according this one, so this is a good explanations for example here. Okay, without back there is knight f3. Why knight f3? Because Alexandra without idea knight f3, so cannot capture this one with knights. So it means so no need by this one with scare. So don't be scared. So need more captured here. So it means knight f3 here by Alexandra here with Botes. And also pawn b5 by Abigail. Okay, so with more controls here. So it means next move by this one with knight c5. Because the pawn b5 with threatening the knights. So it means so this is a movement by this one with knight c5. So it means threatening the bishop and also threats the knights. Without counters here. And also knight f3 avoided by this one with Alexandra, and also queen e7 with backwards against with Abigail, and also rook fc1 with queens behind the rooks, and also queen to f6 with Abigail. So this is a good determination here by solutions. And also queen e2 by Alexandra, and also knight g6. Okay, knight g6. Or maybe determinations here by this one, or maybe by next of this one with knight to h4. Okay, knight h4 is a next first here, so it means this is a next maneuver. And also pawn to b4. So it means pawn b4 attacks the pawn, so this is a bad move. So does not like of this computer engine by b4. So the one's computer is b3. Okay, b3 is a best move here by solutions here. So this is a good for white's advantage here. So this is a good advantage. So back there, this one is b4 bad move. So it means does not like of b4. And also, knight df8. Okay, knight df8 by Abigail. So this is a good, more advantage here. So it means knight df8. So this is a defense by knights and bishop here. And also knight a2, defense the pawns, another bad move by woman FIDE Master Botes. So the one's computer is queen d1. Okay, queen d1 backwards here. So this is a queen d1 is a better move here. So this is a good for advantage for whites. So back there, this one is knight a2 with Alexandra, bishop d7. So this is a worse move by Abigail, brand X, because this is a symbolized X move here. Okay, so the first guessing puzzles here. What do you think about this one? Finding missing with brilliant here against with woman candidate master Abigail Xu. So finding missing missed brilliant here. So first guessing puzzles tips here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So the best of missing the better move, this one is brilliant. Boom! Bishop captured, brilliant. So it means, so bishop captured is a brilliant here because Abigail missing against brilliant. So why backwards here? Because backwards, so it means movement by Abigail. So it means Abigail missing by captured. So this is a missing. Bishop captured is a brilliant. If you queen c2 here, and with go backs with bishop d7. Okay, bishop d7 here. So this is a good for solution advantage for blacks here. Once of this computer here. So why Abigail bishop backwards d7? So no need buy this one with scared. So bishop d7. So it means brand X against with woman candidate master. And also queen d1 by Alexandra. And also knight to e6. So this is a blunderacious by child by woman candidate master Abigail. So this is a evaluation bar. So it means black is the lowest and without highest by white pieces here. So white here by highest. So the better the missing, the best is a4. What the miss? a4. So need by semi-close here by Abigail. So this is a goods for easy advantage here for blacks here. Without knight e6, okay, second tips for puzzle. What do you think about the best excelente with Botes, with Alexandra, woman FIDE Master? So the second tips here, so while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Bishop captured excelente with Alexandra Botes. Takes with Abigail. Oh my god. So this is a weak by Uglin's pawn structure. So this is a double pawns. And another excelente is knight e5. Another process excelente by Alexandra. So jumping in by threatening the bishop. So threats the bishop here. So this is a controls by attacks the bishop. And also knight to f8 defense by develops the bishop. Captured with Alexandra, rook captured, and also knight b4. Okay, with knight b4 here with controls, with attacks the, with threatening the pawns. So threats the pawns and knights threats the pawns. So this is a with targets with attacks. Rook e6 develops by protects the pawns. Rook c3. So what's the plans? Or maybe by queen to c2. Or maybe by battery. So this is a battery by movement here. And also king h7 by Abigail. And also queen c2 by next of triple battery. So triple battery against that. Rook a8 with backwards with Abigail. Knight captured, knight takes, and also rook captured, challenged by rook to rook. Inaccept rook captured, queen takes, challenged by queen to queen. Inaccept against, knight captured, and also knight b6. So it means, so this is a 6 connected versus 5 connected. So why? Because this is a double pawns. So weak by this one double pawn. So it means 6 versus 5. So it means knights and rooks here. So it means 10 minutes plus 31 seconds by Alexandra and 1 minute by 38 seconds by Abigail. So this is a with blacks with lowest by exchange clocks here. Rook b1 by Alexandra by next by double. So double by pawns and threats the knights here. And also rook captured pawn by Abigail, rook captured threatening the knights, and also knight c4. And also with rook captured pawns with Alexandra, knight d2. Okay, knight d2. So it means this is a controls by determinations here. And also g3, knight f3 check, king g2, good move against with Alexandra. Knight e1 check, king f1, knight f3, knight e5 attacks the knights, rook a1 check, king e2, so threatening the knight, so does not like of king e2. So the better ones is king g2. So king g2 here, not king e2. So king g2 is a better move here. So this is a good score advantage. Okay, with king e2 attacks the knights. Knight g1 check by Abigail, king d3, rook a3 check, king c4, knight captured, oh no, knight captured with Abigail, threatening the pawns. So 4 connected pass pawns and 3 connected with blacks. Knight d3 defense by develops the pawns, rook a2. So it means with knight threatening the attack the pawns with more targets here with pawns. So this is a more targets. And also f4, rook c2 check, king b5, rook c3 attacks the knights, and also knight e5, rook captured pawns. Okay, so rook captured, so next byte targets the attacks the pawns here. And also rook to d8, excellent with Alexandra, and also g5, and also f5, another excellent with precise by Alexandra. So it means if you capture this pawn, so it means why don't we capture it? If you f takes g5, h takes g5. So this is a good precise here. Without f5 here. Okay, so the fourth here, so it means without guessing puzzle, what do you think about the brilliant here with Abigail with Drew? So waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here. Rook captured knight. What a brilliant by Abigail with check. Captured, so it means so rook versus bad knights. So it means so number of equal pawns here. So almost by this one by 1 minute here. So 1 minute by blacks and whites. g4, e6, and also knight g5. Okay, with protects by this one with threatening the knights, or maybe with the upcoming by promotes here. And also e7. Okay, with the upcoming by promotes by queens here. Upcoming promotes the queens. And also knight f7, threatening the rooks, and queen e8 queen. So e8 queen, knight captured, queen takes. So this is a 2 connected plus 3 connected. So 1 queen promotes. And also h5, queen g5. So what's the plans? Or maybe queen g6 with check. With a check here. And also king g8, queen captured pawn, king f8, queen captured. So it means by next of with movement by f6. So f6 is a next move. King g8, f6 sacrificed by Alexandra. So cannot capture this pawn here. So this is a queen pin stab with check, with connected by check here. King f8, queen captured with check, king e8, and the last ending here is queen e7 mating net. So it means lose with Abigail Zhu. So the score with Alexandra 92.2 and Abigail Zhu 84.2 because Abigail Zhu is a mating net. So the winner by Woman FIDE Master Alexandra Botes here. Congratulations here. Okay, so it means, so let's see this one with final results here. So it means without standings here after with episode 7 here. Okay, so the score with 2.5 points by Woman FIDE Master Canada Alexandra Botes with her sister is Andrea, and 1 points with Canada by Woman FIDE Master Ashley Quenz, and 0.5, so no more ratings by Mexico Kenneth Damian Alba Ruiz, and 0 all with same by between Woman Candidate Master Abigail Zhu and Woman Candidate Master in Costa Rica is Larissa Marioka Araya here. Okay, so it means, so the winner by with episode 7 by Kids vs Stars here, none other than by Woman FIDE Master Canada Alexandra Botes. Congratulations here. Okay, so I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Happy morning and bye bye.